Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to hide Face ID and passcode in iPhone settings. So if you want to hide your Face ID and passcode on your iPhone settings so that it will not be visible here, and also hide iCloud, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide Face ID and passcode in iPhone settings, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone just like this. Now scroll down until you get to screen time and click on that. Now once you select screen time, scroll down the page and then click on content and privacy restrictions. Under content and privacy restrictions, you want to scroll down the page until you get to allow changes to and click on Face ID and passcode. Then passcode and Face ID is set to allow here. Then go ahead and turn on don't allow. Once you select don't allow, this is going to hide your Face ID and passcode in the settings. So you can now go back to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down. You discover that your Face ID and passcode is no longer available. You see that? If it is visible, just close the settings page and reopen it again. Once you open it, scroll down, then your Face ID and passcode will be hidden. So that is basically how to hide Face ID and passcode in iPhone settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.